Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Tour. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Maya. Today we are going to practice English at the airport.
Yes, we will learn useful English sentences for traveling.
We will practice check-in, security, boarding, and asking for directions.
So if you are traveling by airplane one day, this lesson will help you.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
Okay, Maya, are you ready for the trip?
Yes, Alex. Let's go to the airport.
Wow, the airport is very busy today.
Yes, I can see many travelers.
Some people are checking in.
And some people are carrying huge suitcases.
Maya, how early should we arrive at the airport?
Usually 2 or 3 hours before an international flight.
Good thing we came early.
Yes, airports can take time.
Okay, first we need to find our airline counter.
Let's look at the information screen.
I see our flight number.
Great. Counter B12.
Perfect. Let's go there.
All right, Alex. Now let us practice a check-in conversation.
I will role play as the airport staff.
And I will role play as a traveler.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Okay,
Perfect. Your bag is within the weight limit.
that's good.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Certainly. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Your gate number is A16.
And what time does boarding begin?
Boarding starts at 6:45 p.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
That was easy.
Yes, but I always feel nervous at airports.
Really? Why?
I worry about missing my flight.
Me too sometimes.
Okay, now we need to go through security.
Let's follow the signs.
All right, everyone, now let us practice the security check conversation.
This time, Alex will role play as the security officer. I will be the passenger.
Please place your bags on the conveyor belt.
Okay,
Please remove your jacket and laptop.
sure.
Do you have any liquids?
Just a small bottle of water.
Please place it in the tray.
Okay,
Now, please walk through the scanner.
like this.
Yes, perfect.
Great.
You can collect your belongings now.
Thank you.
Finally, we're inside the airport.
There are so many shops here.
And restaurants, too.
I'm a little hungry.
Me too. Let's get a coffee.
Good idea.
Excuse me, Maya. Do you enjoy flying?
Yes, but takeoff makes me nervous.
Really? I love takeoff,
I like the view from the airplane window.
especially at night.
Yes, the city lights look beautiful. Alex, now let us practice asking for directions at the airport.
Okay, then I will role play as the traveler.
And I will role play as the airport worker.
Excuse me, where's gate A16?
Go straight ahead and turn left.
Okay,
Then take the escalator to the 2nd floor.
thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Maya, now it is time to board the airplane.
Yes, I will role play as the passenger.
And I will be the flight attendant.
Okay, let's begin.
Good evening. May I see your boarding pass?
Of course.
Thank you. Your seat number is 18A.
Thank you.
Enjoy your flight.
Thanks.
Now we're on the airplane.
Oh, Alex, I'm excited now.
Me too.
I hope the flight is smooth.
Do you usually sleep on airplanes?
Not really.
Same here. I usually watch movies.
Or listen to music.
Exactly.
Oh, look, the airplane is moving.
Time for takeoff. All right, everyone. Let's practice some important airport vocabulary.
Great idea.
First word, boarding pass.
A boarding pass is your ticket to enter the airplane.
Next word, gate.
The gate is the place where passengers enter the airplane.
Next phrase, check in.
Check-in means registering for your flight at the airport.
Another useful word is luggage.
Luggage means your bags or suitcases.
And what about takeoff?
Takeoff is when the airplane leaves the ground.
Excellent.
All right, Alex. Now let us do quick practice questions.
Great idea.
I will ask the questions.
And I will answer like a traveler.
May I see your passport?
Here you are.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, one suitcase.
Where is gate A16?
Go straight and turn left.
Perfect.
Today we learned how to speak English at the airport.
We practiced check-in, security, directions, and boarding.
And we learned many useful travel words.
Remember, practice a little every day.
Now we have a question for you.
Have you ever traveled by airplane?
Or do you want to travel one day?
Tell us in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to English Tour.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.